got the ultimate 69 Camaro convertible. If you were to go back in time and order the best Camaro you could order, this would be it. So actually, this one's restored better than when they left the factory. So this car's incredible. What it is, it's a 396, 375 horsepower, 4-speed, posi, nut and bolt frame lock restored, Rally Sport, Super Sport, got a lot of nice features, has a Protecto plate, has the original invoice, all number match front to back, all the major components, actually almost all the components are correct numbered, dated, the carburetor, distributor, everything. We get it from a guy in Oklahoma. He does about 1 car a year, and everyone who's ever bought one of his cars has been extremely thrilled. They usually don't last long. Go to volocars.com. It is for sale. You'll see all the specs, but I'm going to give you a quick tour of it now. This stripe, the dimension is completely correct, and it's actually smooth. You don't feel it at all. That's what I'm saying. It's a little better than new. The wheels are restored correctly, gray and silver, not black and silver. The right antenna. Are you noticing the gaps? The gaps are flawless on this car. Look how everything fits. I purposely just put the windows up to show how nice they fit. Top is perfect. Every piece of molding. Stainless is polished out like chrome. It's not a dull stainless. Again, the gaps are phenomenal. It has the spoilers, reverse lights down below. That's how the Rally Sports came. The right exhaust tips. That's a Gardner exhaust. Everything mechanically is rebuilt on this car. Everything. In wiring. Has a quartz movement in the clock. It is just a phenomenal car. Again, volocars.com. We have lots of cars for sale. This one is really special though. I'm going to open it up and we'll start the car. We're doing the video in here today because the weather outside isn't so great. This thing is awesome. It has the smog pump. It has all the right deep pulleys. GM hoses, 375 horse, that's the bad boy. That's the biggest engine you could get in a Camaro. Bear with me a minute, you're going to hear this bad boy run. Inside the trunk is phenomenal. It has a spare, the mat, everything is glossy, smooth, detailed. I've even opened the glove box and the ashtray. They're brand new inside. The lights work. Look at the jams. The upholstery, the seat belts are completely restored. There's not a clip, not a nut or bolt on this car that isn't like new. You look under the dash, it's like new. Take the door panel off and what you're going to see looks like brand new. Got the tachometer, the gauge cluster, and the console. But this is what really makes it. We have new cars in all the time. This one's exceptional. Check out all the pictures of the underside. All the specs are there. Copies of the documentation we have. There's maybe 40 miles on it since it's been restored. Just a phenomenal car. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.